welcome to Wellington. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also, do be careful when opening overhead lockers this evening, as items could fall out. It is now safe for the transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. We may be disembarking using the rear stairs and forward air bridge. For those of you using the rear stairs, please take care and use the handrail provided. Also, do ensure that you follow the clearly marked path to the terminal. If you cannot descend the stairs, you are more than welcome to use the forward air bridge. Electronic devices must not be used until you are inside the terminal. If you have finished with your newspapers or magazines, please place them in the recycling bin on the air bridge. We do hope that you have enjoyed your flight with us today. From all of the team, thank you for flying Air New Zealand on the Star Alliance network. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Ka kite anō.